Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to log in to Pollo AI, or that might be Pollo if you're Spanish. Here we are at POLLO.ai, and as you can see there's a big button that says try Pollo AI in the middle, and up at the top right hand corner it says start for free. We'll go ahead and hit start for free, and here you can see that you can sign up with your email address, or you can continue with Google. If you already have an account, you can log in here. We're going to go ahead and continue with Google. And here you can see that we can choose an account, continue, and we are now all logged in at Pollo.ai. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.